Welcome back to our kitchen. We're so excited to share some quick and healthy vegan recipes with you today. But before we dive into these delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. We're dedicated to delivering you the tastiest vegan recipes that are not only easy to make but also super healthy. Now let's roll up our sleeves, get our taste buds ready, and start cooking. Imagine a plate of creamy, luscious pasta. The fresh aroma of basil wafts through the air, mingling with the tangy scent of lemon. The pasta is a vibrant green, coated in a velvety avocado sauce. And the best part? It's all vegan. Let's dive into the ingredients you'll need for this delectable dish. Ripe avocados, the star of our show, are at the top of the list. They lend their creaminess and rich flavor to the sauce. You'll also need the zest and juice of a lemon, a few cloves of garlic, and a generous handful of fresh basil. Add in some premium olive oil, salt and pepper for that extra kick. And of course, don't forget your favorite pasta. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your pasta. While that's bubbling away, blend together the avocados, lemon juice, garlic, basil, olive oil, salt and pepper. Once your pasta is cooked and drained, it's time to marry it with the creamy avocado sauce. With this quick and easy recipe, you can enjoy a creamy, flavorful dish that's completely vegan and absolutely delicious. Next up, we have a dish that's sure to warm you from the inside out. A hearty chickpea curry packed with protein and bursting with flavor. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need a can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. For the base of our curry, we'll use diced tomatoes, which add a lovely tangy undertone to the dish. To give it a creamy, rich texture, we'll use a can of coconut milk. The aromatics of this dish come from a finely chopped onion, minced garlic, and freshly grated ginger. Now, the blend of spices is where you can truly make this recipe your own. We're using ground coriander, cumin, turmeric, and a pinch of cayenne for some heat. But feel free to play around with these to suit your taste buds. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating up some oil in a large pan. Toss in your finely chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent and starts to brown a bit. This is when you add in your minced garlic and freshly grated ginger. Stir everything together until the aromas start to waft through your kitchen. Next, it's time for our spices. Sprinkle in your ground coriander, cumin, turmeric, and cayenne. Stir it all together, allowing the spices to coat the onion, garlic, and ginger. This process, known as blooming, really brings out the depth and flavor of the spices. Now we add in our diced tomatoes and chickpeas. Give everything a good stir, making sure the chickpeas are well coated in the spice mixture. Let it cook for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Finally, pour in your coconut milk. Stir it through, making sure everything is well combined. Lower the heat and let it simmer away. As it cooks, the curry will thicken and the flavors will intensify. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. This chickpea curry is a comforting, filling dish that's perfect for those cold nights. The best part, it's quick, easy, and packed full of nutritious ingredients, so go ahead and give it a try. And for dessert, we have a rich, velvety chocolate mousse. But here's the surprise, it's made with avocados. Yes, you heard it right. Avocados. Those creamy green fruits that are usually the star of your guacamole are about to take center stage in your dessert. Now before you raise an eyebrow, let's talk about why this unlikely ingredient works so well. Avocados are not only packed with healthy fats and fiber, but they also have a mild flavor that easily melds with the other ingredients, resulting in a dessert that's not only healthier but also deliciously indulgent. So let's dive into the ingredients. First and foremost, we need ripe avocados. They should be soft to the touch, but not mushy. Next, we need cocoa powder. This will give our mousse that deep, chocolatey flavor we all crave in a dessert. Then, we'll sweeten things up with some maple syrup. It adds a touch of earthy sweetness that beautifully complements the richness of the cocoa. A dash of vanilla extract will enhance the flavors, and a pinch of salt will balance out the sweetness. Now, let's move on to the process. Start by halving and pitting your avocados. Scoop out the flesh and pop it into a blender. Blend until it's as smooth as silk. This is the secret to a velvety mousse. No lumps, just pure creamy goodness. Once you've achieved the right consistency, add in the cocoa powder, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and salt. Blend again until everything is well mixed. You should end up with a thick, creamy mixture that's almost too good to be true. The final step is to refrigerate the mousse. This will allow it to set and develop those deep, chocolatey flavors. It's worth the wait, I promise. You can serve it as is, or top it with some fresh berries or a dollop of coconut cream for an extra touch of indulgence. This chocolate avocado mousse is a decadent, guilt-free dessert that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. So there you have it, 3 quick and healthy vegan recipes that are as flavorful as they are nutritious. We've explored the lush green world of creamy avocado pasta, dived into the hearty depths of chickpea curry, and indulged in the velvety richness of chocolate avocado mousse. These recipes are not only simple and fast to whip up, but they also provide a delicious solution for those bustling days. Remember, eating vegan doesn't mean skimping on flavor. With these recipes, you can enjoy a variety of delicious, nutrient-packed meals that are good for you and good for the planet.